Hey, this is Garrett over at Conquest Classic Cars here in Greeley, Colorado. Just doing a quick walk around and startup here on our beautiful 1972 Ford Bronco Resto Mod. This truck has been completely restored. It's been repainted in a beautiful Toyota Tundra color called Smoked Mesquite, although this color was custom tinted a little bit darker. And I honestly really like the way it looks. It's got a great duality to it. You know, in the shade, it almost looks black or dark brown at some points, and then you get it out in the sun and there's a really nice, beautiful gold metallic that shines through. Just a beautiful color, beautiful job on this one. Body is nice and straight. You can see a good solid reflection, no ripples or waves in the bodywork. Truck rides on these beautiful 17-inch Vision wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich rubber. Got a 4-inch lift on this truck. We have custom Dennis Carpenter rear quarters. Really like these. I think these are the best quarters on the market right now. You know, they have a stock lip on them, so they match the front and they look OEM. But obviously you get that cut look, and it has a lot more clearance for a lot bigger tire than the standard Bronco quarters. Really nice addition to this truck. A lot of the chrome and glass and rubber on this truck is all brand new. Looks really, really nice. Again, same story on this side. Body's nice and straight, no waviness. Paint looks good. There are a couple, you know, very minor flaws. There's just a little bit of a ding there on that side of the door. Luckily, again, this paint is nice and reflective, so you can really see any flaws that come to the surface. Really like this kind of, you know, copper brushed look on this front grille. Just really sets off this color and looks awesome. Good looking hood scoop. Couple small cracks there in the corner of the scoop. Couple small paint defects there on the hood. But that's getting nitpicky, because honestly, I mean, this truck just looks beautiful. It's got a ton of great curb appeal to it. Interior is beautiful in this truck. All redone and brand new as well. Got these AMP Research running boards that slide out when you open both doors. Really nice kind of distressed leather, King Ranch style upholstery in this truck. Looks beautiful. Aftermarket steering wheel, of course. This is a Flaming River tilt steering column. Really nice upgrade. Body colored doors and matched door panels. Like the undercoating that was put on these sill plates. These always get scuffed up if you're actually going to go off-roading, so that's a nice item there, including the whole inside of this truck was completely undercoated before carpets and everything were installed. So not only does that keep rust down, but it also gives you a nice durable surface, and also cuts down on a lot of sound. It acts as a nice insulation as well. So absolutely beautiful interior on this truck. Off to the side here, we have our controls for our vintage air conditioning and our wipers. Could use a radio still, which you could put down there. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look under the hood here real quick. All right, so under the hood here, we have a freshly rebuilt 347 stroker motor. It features Holley Sniper fuel injection there sitting up top. It's got a Edelbrock Performer intake, aluminum headers. Got our vintage AC system hooked up here. Aluminum radiator. All new wiring harness, painless wiring harness has been installed, and it also has MSD electronic ignition. Really set up to drive nice. These 347 stroker motors make a ton of horsepower. We have a dual reservoir master cylinder here for our 4-wheel disc brakes. Let's go ahead and fire this truck up. Fires up nicely. Fuel injection is awesome to have. nice rumble out of the exhaust. All right, let's take this truck for a quick spin.